All of us have studied numbers at school and know how to count, right? But counting objects manually can be tedious and time consuming, especially when accuracy is crucial. Whether you're managing inventory, organizing supplies, or simply counting items for a project, there's a smarter way to get it done. Hi, I'm Luna, and today we're going to talk about how automated counting with iScanner makes counting faster, easier, and more accurate. So why rely on manual counting when technology can help? We live in a new era, and businesses now are automating everything. iScanner's count is based on an in-house AI technology, a neural network that can identify objects and determine their number. It can help in the lumber industry, manufacturing industry, retail sales, transport, and logistics, but it's a feature especially beneficial for small businesses' inventory. By automating the counting process, you can maintain accurate stock levels without the hassle, allowing you to focus on growing your business. And it's not just for business. Hobbyists, teachers, or anyone with a counting task can benefit from this feature, making it versatile for various applications. iScanner is designed to automate counting tasks, ensuring accuracy and saving you time. Let's see how it works. First, I'll open the iScanner app. Then, within the Actions tab, you'll see Count Objects. This powerful tool uses AI to recognize and count items in seconds.
Now I'm going to tap on the count feature and scan this pile of buttons. Let's see what happens. Fit the objects into the screen and snap. Then tap one of the objects that you want to count. Adjust the border if needed, and then tap on Count. And look at that, iScanner quickly identifies and counts each item, displaying the total number on the screen.
What makes iScanner stand out? First of all, they were the first ones to launch technology on the market. Second, iScanner's AI engineers have trained typical subjects that are important for businesses, and the app can recognize them easily. And lastly, the new update Count 2.0 makes a market revolution. It now also counts random items with great accuracy, and it's better than any others in the market. You know, it's all about precision. The AI technology detects even the smallest items, ensuring no detail is missed. Whether you're counting supplies, products, or any other object, iScanner fully adapts to your needs. So whether you're running a business or managing a classroom, iScanner helps you count smarter, not harder. Let us know how it works for you in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your tasks easier with iScanner.